Hello, crafty friends. Welcome. Say hello and where you're watching from. I'm so happy that you're crafting with me today. I'm Lisa Fulford, your creative coach, and I share awesome ways to craft and to use Stampin' Up products. So I've got these really cute cards. So in today's card tutorial, I will be making these two cute cards, the happy birthday and the silly old bear card. And I can't wait to share this project with you. So let's get started. So this one here is just a really simple, straightforward. And this one here is really cute because it is a stand-up easel type card. And I just think he's really adorable. So we're going to do this one first. This one here takes a little bit more to do. So we'll work on this one first. I'll bring in everything that we're going to need and get this going. So I'll put that up there. We have Berry Burst here, and it's 8.5 by 5.5. So I'm going to fold that together. Whoops, like that. I'm going to grab my bone folder. Increase that. And then we have a basic white here, and it is 5.25 by 4, and we're going to put that on the inside. There we go. Set that right on the inside. And the inside of this card is finished. So we have this piece of our DSP, and this is the Velvet Meadow, and this piece is a 4x2, so we're going to add that to the front, but we're going to put the velvet side down. Okay, there we go. So that's going to go right down there, and you want equal borders around the sides and the bottom. And there we go. We also have this piece of Daffodil Delight. It's 4.5 by 3.25, and then we have another piece of Velvet Meadow, and it is 4.25 by 3, and we're going to add that. I'm going to have the velvet part be up on this one. We're going to add that right there, and it's just going to have a little peekaboo border around there. It'll be at a 1/16 inch, but it's an 1/8 inch smaller. There we go. And then we're going to take some more glue and we're going to add that to the front of our card. This card goes together really quick. Oh, got glue on my finger. Get that laid down. I'm going to bring this in. We're going to try to get equal sides and just a little bit smaller at the top than at the bottom. There we go. Put that down. And I'm making certain that my stems and stuff are going up. Let's see, make certain I did that right. Yep, the stems and stuff are going up. It is kind of directional, but not. So there's that. Here is the piece that we're going to use. We're going to bring in Berry Burst, our ink. And we're going to do Happy Birthday right over here to the side, but kind of in the center. Like that. That looks really good. I do have a punch here. I do not know if this is still available or not, but you can use any type of die cutting or punch or anything like that. So I'm going to punch that out. And then we're done with that punch. We're going to take a piece of ribbon, and this ribbon is the bordered ribbon, and it's a peaceful pine. I only need about half of what I've got cut here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half like that. Fold this over. Now I'll take a piece of tape. I just have some Scotch tape here on my desk. I'm going to put this right here behind that little corner. We'll tape that little gem down right there. I'm going to go ahead and trim these off like that. And then let's bring in some dimensionals. Now, it looks like I've only got the small ones, so I'm going to grab and cut these edges. Put it over that ribbon. Let me flip that up there like that. And then I want another little piece in the center, so I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. maybe too big there. We'll go like this at an angle so I can hold that ribbon. And there we go. All right, so peel that off. And we're going to add this up here in the center of our card. Make certain I get it on there kind of straight, and that's a little crooked. And there we go. That's under 5 minutes to make that card. So there's the first one. The next card that we're going to make is this one, and it goes together pretty quick as well. All right, so let's get started with that. The ink that we're going to use for this is the Peaceful Pine. I'll bring that in here, grab my pieces here. I'm going to put this right up here. We don't need the ribbon. All right, so but we will need those dimensionals. So we've got a card base here. It's Early Espresso, and it is 8.5 by 5.5, and it is scored at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4. Take my bone folder. We're going to do that. All right. So we have this piece of our 100 Acre Woods, and this is in Peaceful Pine, and it is, oh, the embossed one is 4 by 5 1/4, and it's embossed with the 100 Acre Wood folder. I just absolutely love this folder. It's a 3D embossing folder. So I'm going to put the glue on the back side of this. And we will put this down on that flap that's on the inside, just like that. You want to get it as centered as you can, just like that. And then we are now going to take this piece of DSP, and this one here is from the Cilio Bear, and it's 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. So I love this stripe. One of my favorite parts of this, plus this, the what's on the back, I use the stripe a lot. All right, so I'm going to add that right down here. So it's, you know, goes up and down, so there's not really any directional to that. All right, we have this piece that is Early Espresso as well, and it's 7 inches by 3 1/2, and it's scored at 3 1/2. So we're going to go ahead and add some pieces to this before we move on. I'm going to take this piece from the Cilio Bear, and this piece is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. Add some glue to the back of that. I like to get the corners so that it will, if you get the corners and it sticks, if the center isn't stuck, it is just fine. Because you want your corners to be nice and stuck down. So we'll take this piece of Very Vanilla, which is the same size, and it is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, and we're going to just add some glue to the corners of this as well. And we're going to put that down. You can always stop and start this video if you want to make one of these cards along with me, but these go together so fast. All right, so I want to add some dimensionals to the back of this, and I'm going to grab, you know what, I think I'm going to grab some of the long ones because I think it might fit. So I'm going to just grab some pieces here. Just add it to the back of these honey pots. And peel that backing off. You can put it anywhere that you want on the front of your card. And I think I'm going to put the little honey pots down here off to the side, because there's the Cilio Bear climbing up in the tree. All right, so now then we want to add this to the front of the card. So we'll add some glue to the back of this as well. There we go. And then we're going to come in here, and we're going to have the opening at the bottom. We're going to come in here and try to center. Try to get as much equal on the sides as we can. We're going to press that down. And then now it's time to do our sentiment Pop that up like that. I'll set this off to the side. We're going to do a little bit of stamping. Grab our Peaceful Pine, and I will have to put in the description at the bottom where this Sending Smiles came from and where this other one, the Happy Birthday, came from. So I cannot remember the names of the stamp sets. I forgot to write those down. That looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. And we'll close this up so I don't stick my finger in it, and get that off to the side. We're going to add this to our piece of Peaceful Pine. And the Peaceful Pine is a 3/4 by 3, and the Very Vanilla is a, let's see, I think it's a 7/8 by 3. So the other one's 3 3/4 by 3 1/4. Oh my goodness, I can't remember. I'm so sorry. Let's see, so the Peaceful Pine is 3 by 3/4, and the Very Vanilla is 2 7/8 by 5/8. All right, so now then, we're going to put dimensionals on the back of this as well. And we're going to use these that we have. And I'm going to just trim this off right here. We'll cut that apart. And we'll put part of it down here. I'm going to grab this piece, and we're going to place that right down there. So while we're finishing up this card, you can add bling to this if you want, but I am not adding too much bling. So I'm going to take this. This is right side up. I'm going to flip it upside down and put it at the edge of this card without being completely up there. I'm going to leave about 1/8 inch, and we'll bring this down. I want to make certain it stays. I want to make it stay right where I want it. So I'm going to bring this down, lay that down, and touch it. So then when it's closed, you don't see it. Then when you open it up, there's your Sending Smiles, and it, whoops, tucks in just like that. Whoop, I moved it. Tucks in just like that. So it is a very cute pop-up, or it's an easel card that you can display. There we go. Finally got to sit up right. So there you go. That is our 2 wonderful cards that we had for today's class. So please don't forget to share, like, comment, follow me on Facebook. That's Creative Coach Lisa. Join my mystery stamping, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I hope that this was a fun class for you. And I think we did both of these under 22 minutes, maybe 23. So this one was really fast. It was like 5 minutes long, and that took about 15 minutes maybe to make. So those are some pretty quick cards. So thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. And until next time, happy stamping.